Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're an endurance athlete, a runner, a cyclist, or just someone who loves a good long workout, you already know your body is like a high-performance engine. And what's the one thing a high-performance engine absolutely needs? The right fuel. But with so many fads and supplements out there, it can be confusing to know what to eat. Today, we're cutting through the noise and diving deep into the power of real food. We're revealing the Big Five, the ultimate superfoods that are scientifically proven to be game changers for anyone pushing their limits. This isn't just about eating healthy, it's about fueling for a purpose. Let's get started. Before we dive into our list, let's quickly define what makes a food super for endurance. It's about dense nutrition, packing a powerful punch of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and sustained energy without the empty calories. For an endurance athlete, this means fuel that supports long efforts, reduces inflammation caused by intense training, and aids in rapid recovery so you can hit the ground running again tomorrow. Our first superfood is a true powerhouse that you should be adding to your diet right now. Number 1 on our list, berries. Think blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These vibrant little gems are more than just a sweet treat. They are loaded with a special class of antioxidants called anthocyanins. These are the compounds that give berries their deep, rich colors. For an athlete, anthocyanins are incredible because they are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Intense exercise generates a lot of oxidative stress and microdamage to your muscles, which is what causes soreness and fatigue. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry showed that runners who consumed blueberries daily had significantly less oxidative stress and inflammation after a 2-hour run. By fighting this inflammation, berries help speed up your recovery time. Furthermore, their natural sugars provide a quick, clean energy source that's easy to digest, making them a great option for a pre-workout snack. The science is clear. A handful of berries can be a huge win for your training. Add them to your morning oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or simply snack on them post-workout to kickstart your recovery. Next up, a classic for a reason, oats. But we're not talking about those instant sugary packets. We're talking about whole rolled oats or steel-cut oats. These are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, which are the primary fuel source for endurance athletes. Unlike simple sugars that give you a quick spike and then a crash, the carbs in oats are digested slowly. This provides a steady, sustained release of energy that can last for hours, preventing you from hitting the wall during a long training session. They are also rich in a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which not only promotes a healthy gut, critical for nutrient absorption, but also has been shown to boost immune function, helping you stay healthy and consistent with your training. A pre-race meal of oatmeal with some berries and nuts is the gold standard for a reason. It's easy on the stomach, and it delivers long-lasting energy. Don't underestimate the power of this humble grain. It's a workhorse of a superfood for any endurance athlete. Our third superfood might not be surprising, but its incredible power for endurance is often underestimated. Leafy greens. We're talking about spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and beet greens. While these might seem like everyday vegetables, they are nutritional powerhouses for a serious athlete. Their biggest secret is their high concentration of dietary nitrates. When you consume nitrates, your body converts them into a molecule called nitric oxide. This molecule is a natural vasodilator, meaning it widens your blood vessels, improving blood flow and allowing more oxygen and nutrients to be delivered to your working muscles. Think of it as opening up the highways for your body's fuel delivery system. Research from the University of Exeter found that beet juice, which is rich in nitrates, can improve athletic performance and reduce fatigue. Greens also provide essential minerals like iron, which is crucial for carrying oxygen in your blood, and magnesium, which plays a vital role in muscle function and preventing cramps during long efforts. Don't skip your greens, blend them into a smoothie, add a generous portion to every meal, or make a big salad with them. Moving on to our fourth superfood, salmon. This fatty fish is an incredible source of high-quality protein for muscle repair and, more importantly, a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. For an endurance athlete, these are powerful anti-inflammatory agents that are vital for joint health and reducing post-exercise muscle soreness. While exercise is good for you, the repetitive motion in activities like running and cycling can put a lot of stress on your joints and muscles. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3s help to mitigate this, speeding up your recovery and keeping you on track. A study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition highlighted how omega-3 supplementation can reduce exercise-induced muscle damage and soreness. The protein in salmon is also essential for rebuilding and repairing muscle tissue that is broken down during training. Aim for wild-caught salmon a couple of times a week to get a potent dose of these essential fatty acids. And finally, rounding out our top 5, sweet potatoes. Don't let their simple appearance fool you. These vibrant tubers are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, giving you sustained energy without the sugar crash associated with refined carbs. They also happen to be loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, essential for immune function and vision. They're also rich in vitamin C, a key antioxidant, and a phenomenal source of potassium, an electrolyte crucial for fluid balance and preventing muscle cramps during long efforts. Unlike white potatoes, sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index, meaning they cause a slower rise in blood sugar, which is perfect for maintaining stable energy levels. Whether you bake them, mash them, or roast them, sweet potatoes are a versatile and delicious way to fuel your body with clean, long-lasting energy. They are the perfect carb source for any pre-workout meal. So there you have it, our top 5 superfoods for endurance athletes. Remember, these foods aren't magic pills. They are the fundamental building blocks of a balanced, whole food-based diet. Incorporating them consistently into your nutrition strategy can significantly impact your performance, recovery, and overall health. It's about a consistent, smart approach to fueling your body. What are your favorite superfoods for endurance? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow athletes, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to optimize your training and nutrition. We'll see you in the next one. Stay strong.